Today's high was 102. This was not close to a record. The record's 107, set back in 1917. And just keep track, 17 triple-digit days so far this year. Today was the 8th consecutive triple-digit day, and we averaged 20 in a given summer, so we're almost there. We'll certainly beat that this week, and there is another heat advisory in effect for Dallas and Tarrant counties, an excessive heat warning to the southwest of the Metroplex. Temps in the heat advisory, 100 plus with a heat index of 105 plus. Excessive heat warning, 105 with heat index of 107 plus. If you're not in any of these, it's going to be close to 100 with a heat index just under 105. So, Gainesville, Sherman, Denton, and McKinney, there's no reason to celebrate. It's still going to be hot tomorrow. Now, I want to talk about the lack of rain. The heat has been the huge focus. We also need to talk about the drought, too. This is important. So severe drought has really crept into a good portion of North Texas. The northern half is still okay. That won't be the case for long. It's extreme and exceptional drought to the southwest. By the way, DFW is now about 9 inches of rain below normal for the year. The last time DFW, now some of you watching, you got rain. You got really lucky. But the last time DFW recorded rain was June 3rd, and it was just over 1/10 of an inch. That's a 37-day streak of no measurable rain out of DFW. That's the 23rd longest on record, and of course everyone's going to say, well, what was the longest? Back in 2000, 84 days DFW went without a bit of measurable rain from July 1st to September 22nd. Bad news, none here in Texas. The only wild card in this scenario would be this disturbance out here in the northern Gulf of Mexico. It's going to bring several inches of rain to the Gulf Coast and a little bit more inland. There was some hope initially that maybe it could creep to the west and bring us something, but honestly, over the next 10 days, there's just not much to get excited about rainfall-wise. We have a little chance on Wednesday, and that's it. Tonight, 81. Very warm and muggy with clear skies. Tomorrow, 103, a heat index of 105 or higher. That's the heat advisory for Dallas-Fort Worth. There's the 10-day. Lots of numbers. Wednesday, maybe a stray shower or thunderstorm. You remember that chance that we just had where 5 of you actually saw rain and the rest of us didn't? That's the same chance on Wednesday, 103. How about 100 on Friday? Maybe a little bit better than the weekend. We start warming back up even into next week, 103 to 104.